And the rough early lead is taken by Bangge from the outside. It's Bangge followed by Chinoy by the rail. And in between horses is Douglas Sprite. And heading for the backstretch, it's Bangge followed by Chinoy, Princess Jalik. And moving up on the outside is Lon Laan. Into the backstretch, Bangge in the lead, followed by Lon Laan on the outside, and Chinoy, Princess Jalik, Douglas Sprite, and Ang Sabico is bringing up the rear. Into the backstretch, it is still Bangge in the lead. It's Bangge by a length and a half, followed by Lon Laan in second, and by the rail is Chinoy. On the outside, Douglas Sprite. And at the far turn, it's Bangge in the lead, followed by Lon Laan in between horses. Moving up on the farther outside is Princess Jalik. But it is now Lon Laan in the lead, followed by Bangge and Princess Jalik moving up on the outside. It's Lon Laan in the lead, followed by Princess Jalik on the outside. Bangge by the rail in third. The last bend for home, Lon Laan by the rail, Princess Jalik on the outside, Bangge. And here comes Chinoy moving up in fourth and closing in is Douglas Sprite. At the top of the stretch, it's Lon Laan in the lead, followed by Princess Jalik and Bangge moving up on the inside, Chinoy. And on the farther outside is Douglas Sprite, the favorite. It's Lon Laan in the lead, followed by Bangge by the rail, Princess Jalik on the farther outside, Chinoy and Douglas Sprite. But it's still Lon Laan in the lead, Princess Jalik and Bangge by the rail. It's Lon Laan in the center, and on the outside, Princess Jalik, Douglas Sprite on the farther outside, and finally at the payoff line, Lon Laan, Princess Jalik, Douglas Sprite.
Okay, crossing the wire first, only